Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I've seen the comments, first of all. There's also a couple of blog posts that popped up in different tech blogs about that famous problem with the Windows updates, the Windows security updates that don't happen when you just update your system, and that you had only the October, November updates of 2024. And what happens is that after that, you just can't get any updates for security. And a lot of the blog posts and the comments here go with the fact that it's kind of a joke in Microsoft, because the only thing they did was, reinstall Windows and here, resolved. And so one of the blog post titles was, Microsoft resolves a bug in Windows without fixing it. And it is kind of my daily rant. This will be a new feature, by the way, on the channel, the Daily Rant. And I will rant about something tech every day. And hope you enjoyed that. My rant videos are some of my most popular. People like that. People like me ranting about something, whether you like it or not. So Microsoft, way to go. Not fixing anything, just telling people, you just reinstall Windows. Like, if reinstalling Windows, 1, is easy for everyone. 2, like, reinstalling Windows is, not causing headaches to people, because, let's face it, reinstalling Windows is a pain in the butt. And then all the questions that's come with it, it's like, how do I know that I don't have an image that has the October, November updates and so on? So, this is Microsoft at its dumbest. It reminds me of exactly 1 year ago, when there was that famous update that appeared, and that people started going crazy because it didn't install. And that update, didn't really need to be pushed to everybody. It could have been pushed only to specific users that, have or use BitLocker, because it was for security. But it was put, intentionally, because Microsoft intentionally put aside to make sure that, if it doesn't install, it doesn't break Windows updates for the rest of the updates. Still, every day, every week, every month, people would see that there's an error, can't install an update. And of course, showed you how to, hide it. And then they had multiple updates to that update. That still, for some people, were problems. That's Microsoft for you. So there are tools to update the media creation, so that you have updates, make the latest updates on them. It's stupid. Microsoft is really, really at its dumbest when it actually does things like that. And I guess I will probably have a lot of these daily rants at Microsoft for sure. But thank you, Microsoft, for resolving an issue without fixing it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.